do a lead in.
Okay, so here we go. Today is the day to fire up the engine for the first time since it's been in the boat. We got a bucket over there. We're going to fill it up with water, and that'll be the water that goes into the motor to cool it. I've got a fuel tank back there with the fuel line hooked up, already primed, ready to go.
Look how nicely wired it all is.
Yeah, it all looks really good up in here. All the wiring looks good. Jen's done an awesome job painting. So let's just see how it goes. So if you want to hold it, first thing is we got to turn on the battery.
Battery on.
Second thing we got to do is fill up the water.
Do I need to hold that hose?
Well, we will eventually, but let's get it filled first.
Okay.
And then we can get it to where it'll just fill on its own at a rate that it's sucking it in.
Right. Okay. You said sucking.
So we're going to check for leaks around the exhaust, around the water, around the fuel.
Are you going to check the gear shifter thing? And
Yeah,
all
we'll
that?
make sure it's in, well, no, right now we'll just make sure it's in neutral. We don't want it to...
Honey, is that like got Dawn in it or something?
Yeah, probably a little bit.
It won't hurt the motor?
No. So we'll make sure it's in neutral so the prop's not spinning because there's no water to cool it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, should we give it a go?
Yeah. And then you'll work on getting the water going?
Yeah, we'll get the water flow figured
Okay.
out once we get
Here
it
we
going.
go. You have to turn the key on.
I know. I'm turning the choke on right now.
Key on. Siding.
Let me pump some fuel up there.
Okay. Do you need me to move?
No.
Yeah, it sounds good. It just needs to kick over, right?
Yep. Okay, I think we got fuel up there now.
You got the
Try it
check.
again. Ready?
Yep. Oh, that was so close, huh?
Yeah.
Here it goes. We got a motor!
Oh, water. Suck it in. There we go. That's sucking it in a little faster than it's coming out of the hose, so we'll just keep adjusting that. Yeah, oil pressure. About 24, 25 psi. No temperature yet. We're not charging, so I've hooked up the elevator. We'll let it kind of...
We need more water going in.
That was on the choke a little bit.
Look how it's not vibrating or anything. It looks good.
Our shaft is in neutral. There's neutral. That's as fast as it'll go. I mean, as far as filling up.
Yeah.
Be careful though, because there's stuff that turns.
Right. I know it was leaning up against that.
Oh, okay. So maybe the idle's a little bit low. to look out the back to make sure we got water spitting out, because all this water should be spitting out the back.
Okay.
No leaks up here.
What?
Sounds pretty good.
Hey.
Yeah. This is great.
I'm gonna turn it off now.
Okay.
Hey, we've got a
Good
motor.
job.
Wait.
We got a motor.